Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to enable the passkey feature on Binance. This allows you to log into your account using Face ID or a fingerprint for added convenience. Let's dive in. First, open the Binance app on your device. Tap the app icon located at the top left corner, then select your username from the menu. From here, go to Security. In the Security section, you'll see the option for Passkey. Tap on it, then select Add Passkey. You'll receive a code in your registered email. Open your email and copy the code provided. Enter the code into the app and click Submit. Once verified, you'll be prompted to confirm your Face ID or fingerprint. After completing this step, the passkey feature will be successfully enabled on your account. From now on, if you get logged out, you can conveniently log back in using your Face ID or fingerprint. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.